guys, so for this video I want to show you how to make tassels. There are many different ways of making tassels, but we'll have to start somewhere, right? So we start with this particular one. I'm using yarn in two different colors. As far as the length goes, it totally depends on you, how long you want your tassels to be. In my case here I have a top of one box. It measures 8.5 inches, but then we also have this part here, 8.5, so it'll be 10.5 inches. I want to make thick tassels, so I'll go around this box 40 times because I need 40 strands, and plus I need 2 extra yellow strands. So let's go 42. So now right here, right through the center, you just cut them with scissors. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Okay, so here we have 40 strands. Now I need 2 extra yellow strands. Now fold all these strands in half, just like this. Make sure to support it with your finger. And then, with one of these yellow strands that we have set aside, see, we're just going to insert it right here through the middle, and we're going to make a double knot. Make sure it's tight. Alright, now we're going to use that second strand I told you guys about. And now, see, we're going to hold this strand right here between our thumb and our finger, just to keep it secure. And then we're going to wrap it around this tassel 4 times, tightly. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, we're going to use both of these strands and we'll make a double knot. Just like that. Hold on to these 2 strands for now. And I will use a yarn needle and insert both of these strands right through that yarn needle. Now we want to hide these 2 strands. Now we insert this yarn needle right here behind these 4 strands that we have created right there. See? This here. And right through the center, push it through, and then pull the needle, just like that. Just like that. Now it's almost invisible. I'm going to go, I see right here, and just trim them with the scissors. I don't want to lift them up. Alright. We're done with the first one. We just want them to be as even as possible. It's 80 strands. It's 40 strands, but once they're folded, it's 80. You can make them as long or as short as you want them to be. It's better to make them longer, and you can trim them as you go if you want to make them shorter. You can also make them thinner or thicker. To make them thinner, you just have to use less strands of yarn. To make them thicker, just you use more strands of yarn. You can make them in one color or multiple other colors. This is all for today, guys, and I'll see you next time with another video.